Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you my skincare routine using my PMD devices. I'm going to start off by cleaning my face using my Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser. I'm going to put that all over my brush and go ahead and start working that into my skin. Now this brush does vibrate in 4 different settings to help break down the dirt in your skin and give you a deeper clean. This brush feels really good on your skin. At first I was skeptical about how it would feel and if my face would feel like it was getting clean, but it actually really did make my face feel really fresh and clean and actually very soft. My favorite part of this brush is that it is antibacterial because of the material that it's made out of. I prefer that so I won't be transferring extra bacteria over to my face. Now I'm just going to use a regular towel and pat my face dry. I recently started doing this and I feel like it makes my face feel a lot better after I wash it instead of rubbing it in my face, because when I rub my face it makes my face kind of hurt. I have very sensitive skin and I feel like I'm ripping the first layer of my skin when I rub my face with the towel. Now on to the fun part. We're going to be doing the microdermabrasion on our face. To use this product, you do want to pull your skin very tight in order to be able to glide the disc across your face very seamlessly. And you only want to do 1 pass on each surface of your skin. You don't want to sand too many layers of your skin off. That can cause more problems. Yeah, so I'm just going to let you guys go ahead and just watch me do the rest of this process. It's very self-explanatory. You just glide the disc all over your full face following the pattern that is on the instructions that comes with the product. So yeah, as long as you follow the directions, you should have absolutely no issues whatsoever. After you finish doing the microdermabrasion, it is recommended to tone your face and then moisturize it. I personally don't use a toner. I just go straight in with my moisturizers. First, I'm going to use my Sephora Hydrating Moisturizer and put that on my T-zone because that's where I get very dry. And then I'm going to go in with my CeraVe Moisturizer and put that on my whole entire face. This works for me. I don't wake up with oily skin, and my skin has actually changed to normal to dry skin. So doing this moisturizing routine actually really hydrates my skin and helps. Wait, don't forget, you have to clean your filter and your disc on your microdermabrasion after you use it. You do not want that dead skin sitting in there all night. Thanks.